Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to simply download videos in Coursera. Those who are offering courses on Coursera gives you the access to download their lecture videos. So let's dive in. Now we have assumed that you have already signed into your Coursera account and you have even started a course and you are watching a video, a lecture video, but you want to download it. It's very simple, so clear that it is even displayed there. So what you do is that whilst the video is playing,
the management group, which will inherit that access
under the
to
video,
all the
you see download button. You see it, download button, and so you click on the drop down arrow, and here it gives you access not to only download the video but also the subtitles and then the transcript, the one that has been written here. You can download it. You can download every transcript of every video and then put them into a pamphlet for yourself. For those of you who have been asking for pamphlet, you can download the transcripts and it becomes a pamphlet for you. Now you want to download a video, this lecture video, so you click on it and then you wait for it to load. If you have a powerful internet by now, it will be showing. Now this is the page that you're going to see.
As Tailwind traders get started with Azure, one of your first steps will be to create at least one Azure.
When you are in this page, you see these three buttons, vertical buttons. You can click on it and you go to download. Then you wait for it to open the window for you. So when you save it, it's going to download. It automatically saves at index. The file name is index. You can change it, maybe Azure subscriptions. Okay, hit on enter and it will start downloading. Downloaded. So you see it is finished downloading. Now you can locate it in your download folder or directory. So you go through, where is it? I have a lot of things in my download folder. Okay, so there's it, Azure subscriptions. That's it. You open it without your internet and it will start playing for you.
As Tailwind traders get started with Azure, one of your first steps will be to create at least one Azure subscription.
Okay.
You'll use.
So that is how to download Coursera videos. Go to download, you go to lecture video, and then you save it as, or you download it in it. See you in the next video.